Ismail, and this is my little brother Isaac. Today I will tell you about our Hajj playdate.
Hajj playdate.
It was the best playdate ever. We all pretended to go on Hajj. It was amazing. Let me show you all what we did. Understanding Hajj.
When we go for Hajj, we need to do Umrah first. You need to go around the Kaaba 7 times, and then you need to go through these 2 mountains. It's called Safa and Marwa, like 7 times. Then for Hajj, the first thing you need to do, you need to stay in the Mina tent. It's right here. There's a tent where you need to go, and then you can stay for the whole night in Mina. Next day you go to Arafah.
Most important day.
The most important day. After Arafah, you go to Muzdalifah. Muzdalifah is just a plain land. You go there and you sleep over there. Very next day you get up and you go to Mina again. Eid al-Adha, you get up, you go to Jamrat. Jamrat is where the 3 stones called Shaitan is there. So Ibrahim alayhi salam is stoned with Prophet Ibrahim. So what we do, we go there and we stone these shaitans 7 stones to them. And this is your Hajj.
Passport. Time for everyone to get their passports to travel for Hajj.
Ishmael, your passport. Hania, your passport. Sufyan, your passport. Aisha, your passport. Rubina. And this is for Layla. Alright.
My grandma, was the visa officer and stamped visas on everyone's passports before allowing us to fly to Mecca. It was pretty cool. Each one of us got our own plane to fly to Mecca.
Okay.
We all flew in our planes and arrived at Miqat. Miqat is the last stop before entering Mecca. We wear Ihram here. What is Ihram? Ihram is the pure state which a Muslim must enter in order to perform Hajj or Umrah. For men, it is 2 sheets of unstitched white cloth. One is wrapped around the waist, while the other sheet covers the left shoulder. Women wear loose-fitting clothing that covers their bodies. Our Ihrams were waiting for us at Ihram station. We wore our pretend Ihrams at Miqat. We helped each other a bit. Start of Hajj, day 1, Tawaaf. Hajj starts with Tawaaf. Tawaaf is basically walking around Kaaba 7 times. We start Tawaaf by doing Labbaik Allah.
Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak.
Meaning of Labbaik. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. Which means, I respond to your call, O Allah, I respond to your call. You have no partner, I respond to your call. I respond to your call. All praise, thanks, and blessings are for you. Sa'i. After Tawaf, we did Sa'i. This is walking 7 times between Mount Safa and Marwa to follow footsteps of Hajar, or in Arabic, Hajra, who walked between the mountains in search of water. Hajj day 2. Then we slept in Mecca until Fajar time.
Allahu Akbar, Fajar time, wake up!
Then we walked to Mina. It's a city with white tents.
This is Mina, this is not Mina.
Arafah. we did our Zohar prayer and Arafah. It was the most important day of Hajj, so we prayed a lot. We brought to Muzdalifah to do Maghrib and Isha prayer. We slept here for the night. Hajj Day 3. On our way to Jamarat, we picked up 7 stones. We then proceeded to hit one of the pillars at Jamarat. By throwing stones, we followed footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim as he threw stones at Satan, who was telling him to disobey Allah. After stoning, we each picked an animal to sacrifice. Mom lined up a bunch of stuffed toys. I got a small camel.
Okay, we're gonna share the camel. So Layla and
Mom took our sacrificed animals and we wished each other a happy Eid.
Okay, come here.
We also got some candy and fun kala boxes as we celebrated Eid. We each had a sip of Zamzam water at Zamzam station.
Guys, right here.
Oh my goodness! Look
Okay, everybody drink water.
Mom pretended to clip our hair as well.
Okay?
Girls don't have to do it.
Yes, they have to do a little bit. So, everybody. Labbaik Allah, sharika laka labbaik. To the side. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik.
Then we did Tawaaf and Sa'i. Then off we went to Mina for the night.
Go all the way, go all the way.
Ooh, nighttime in Mina. Nighttime in Mina.
Hajj Day 4. Next day, we picked up 7 stones and we threw them at Jamarat again.
It's breaking. Stop on it. You're making it. Don't lean on it. Don't lean on it.
Hajj Day 5. We woke up in Mina, we went to Jamarat, and we threw stones once again. Tawaaf al-Wida. We did our last Tawaaf around Kaaba. Everything was done. Leaving Mecca. Mom ordered pizza, so we all enjoy. Oma stamped the visa and put flowers on us. That was the funnest pretend Hajj in the world, and I can't wait to do real Hajj.
Hajj Mubarak. Hajj Mubarak.
We can't wait to go back on Hajj. That was the end of our play date. I hope you enjoyed learning new terms. Like and subscribe our video. Bye, friends. See you next time.